Congratulations, Mr. Prasun Joshi. I request you to kindly share your success story and inspire the graduating class of 2015, please.
Well, it's like homecoming for me, so I'm not. I just went to the room I used to live in, and it makes me emotional to be here, and so bear with me for a while. Shri Rahul Bajaj, Shri Kamal Nath, Dr. Banerjee, Siddhas, Bakul. When I was listening to you, Mr. Bajaj is always very clear in his thinking, and it's a pleasure to always listen to you, I must say. And with the clarity you think, one feels like listening to you, forever. So thank you for being here, and Shri Kamal Nath, I never told you how indebted I am to IMT and to you for having this institute here. I was born in Uttarakhand, a small town. I had no exposure to the world of business, advertising, marketing. For a long time, my father used to think I'm in publicity department. And whenever somebody will come home, beta kya karta hai? Kuch publicity ka kaam karta hai. So there was no exposure. And this institute here is like a bridge between at least in my days, between the smaller towns of this country and the big world of corporate world of India or the world. So I will always be indebted. I did not at all know what to do with my crazy ideas, which used to be there. I was always a storyteller. I used to think that, all these ads which come on television are bad. There is something better needs to be done, but I didn't know who does them. Still, a lot of people in smaller towns would wonder that for writing a campaign like Thanda Matlab Coca-Cola, you're paid. They think, why will you be paid for writing slogans? And if I tell them that we have like 3 months of research and 2 months of brainstorming, and after 1 year you come up with one such idea, they wouldn't believe you. Because still India is hugely divided. We still do not have uniformity of information. As Mr. Bajaj talked about opportunities, I think equal opportunities. In fact, I was writing songs for a film, Arakshan, I remember Prakash Jha was making. And there I talked about this equality of opportunity. पहले बराबर की लाइन तो खींचो, फिर देखते हैं कौन कितना खेलता है, पर बराबर की लाइन तो है ही नहीं. So I think an institute like IMT does that for this country. I think somebody was asking me a while back what is unique about this place. And I can only, I don't have the kind of experience Mr. Bajaj has to be able to envision the bigger picture. I can only talk to you from my experience. What a good institute can do to you is to unleash the authentic you, to make you realize what exactly you are, and let you follow that with passion. The difference which he was talking about, the passion, one guy has passion, one guy thinks it's routine. I think the person who thinks it's passion is the person who goes and soars high. So that authentic you, unless you realize what you are, and it's not easy, believe me. I feel confusion is very good. I feel if you haven't gone through the state of confusion in your head, you would never arrive at clarity. Confusion is the first step. So if you are confused what I'm supposed to do, what I should be doing, it's absolutely important. That phase lets you explore. That phase lets you, look inside. Ask yourself a question, what exactly I want in life? You will attempt, you will fail. Please don't be afraid of that. And a good guru is someone whom you do not need after a while. A good guru is someone who unshackles you. It's not someone who is like a crutch always standing next to you. No, that's not a good guru. That's a crutch. And I think I found people like that in IMT. I'm thankful to all the teachers who taught me here. I'm thankful to all the friends I made in this place. The uniqueness of this place was that the bunch of people who we used to, I think they tolerated the crazy me, who had always some ideas, and if they did not, the acceptance, I think it's very important that you are accepted. You come, you want to go and do something in the world, but the first step towards that is this institute. When I was writing dialogues for Rang De Basanti, if you guys remember, there was a scene where Amir is in the car, in the jeep, and he's saying, I'm afraid of going out of the college. I'm afraid of going out of the college because inside the college, everybody knows me. I have an identity. Outside this, DJ ko kaun janta hai? If you remember that. And I think that was a very important scene for the film. And I owe a lot of work which I've done. And I was telling someone a while back, a famous song last year in Bhag Milkha Bhag, Havan Karenge. I completely owe this to the hostel of IMT. I started writing that song right here in the mess of this place, and that when we were talking about the army, people celebrating, all I could think of is Havan Karenge, Havan Karenge, Havan Karenge. And some people said, you are using Havan as a word, and some people will object to it. I said, this is the way we saw it. We had fun with it. I think we think that people out there are idiots. This is the biggest problem with marketing and advertising also. Consumer, we think, is a different entity. We feel that the consumer is not going to understand it. भाई आपकी तरह इंसान है, हाथ पैर है, दिमाग है, अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है तो उसको भी समझ में आएगा. नहीं, we are different. No, you are not different. You just are using English. That's the difference. The intent is understood. And I think everything which happens to your life, it happens for good. You accept it and learn from it. It's very important that you learn from it. I believe in learning and unlearning both. Iqbal has this poem, and Iqbal as a poet has talked a lot about Shaheen, the falcon. And he's almost obsessed with this symbol. So a lot of places say, "Tu Shahi hai parwaaz hai kaam tera, tere saamne आसमां और भी है. अगर लुट गया एक नशेमंद तो क्या गम, मुकामा तो आहो फुगां और भी." So he keeps writing about Shaheen. So one place which really is something which impressed me was when his observation about the bird. Says that लपकना झपटना पलटकर झपटना लहू गर्म रखने का बस है बहाना. The observation is that the bird goes and attacks the prey, takes the prey up, flies for a while, and drops the prey back again alive. Why does the bird do it? The bird is not hungry, but the bird is doing it because the bird is practicing the art of hunting. If and when the bird is actually hungry, that time there should be no mistake. And that is the crux for me is of learning. You practice so much because when the opportunity actually strikes, the opportunity is in front of you, there is no time to practice. Then you can't say, let me go home and practice. If you haven't learned, you haven't practiced, you cannot hunt when you're hungry. So I think I always find this very inspiring, that what is the crux of learning? Why do we learn? Yes, instinct is there, but in your subconscious, somewhere learning trains you well for that opportunity when it comes. As much as it's important to learn, it's also important to unlearn. What is the difference between a young person and an old person? The older person, not by age, by mindset, says, ye nahi ho sakta. And the younger person says, ye kyun nahi ho sakta? That's the difference. Now, where does this kyun nahi has become nahi? Because you have learned too much. You have learned too much about your limitations. And your limitations take the naivete away. And without that naivete, you cannot invent, you cannot do anything new, because every time you'll be reminded of what can't be done. And I think it's important to unlearn as well. As you go along, unlearn the limitations. Learn something which allows you, which enables you to fly. It's immensely important. People say, how you think of ideas? I don't think I think of ideas. Ideas choose me. I don't choose ideas. But if ideas choose me, agar main nimitt matra hu, if I am just the medium, what is my contribution? Your contribution is to become the worthy medium. Your contribution is to have least resistance towards the signals, the ideas, the instinctive feelings you get. You have to be sensitive towards them. You have to be constantly, organically changing, transforming. That's what makes you a worthy medium. That's what makes you fly. And I think, well, if you have any questions, I'll answer. I can talk till cows come home. Maybe I'll decide something with which Amir finished his Satyamev Jayate. He wanted me to write the finale of it, and I wrote these lines. Mumkin hai, how everything is possible if you dream. And I'll read this for you. Probably you will find them. Some of them you would have heard it because he finished the show with this. बंजर धरती के सीने पर पैर पटक के नन्हा अंकुर एक हरी सी जिद पर उतरे मुमकिन है. बंजर धरती के सीने पर पैर पटक के नन्हा अंकुर एक हरी सी जिद पर उतरे मुमकिन है. सूरज मुट्ठी के अंदर हो और दरारों से उंगली की छलक रोशनी फर्श पे बिखरे मुमकिन है. पर्वत के माथे से उतरे एक पगडंडी बने विशाल नदी सागर से मिलने जाए मुमकिन है. रात अंधेरी किसी सड़क पर एक लैंप के नीचे कोई सपनों के पन्ने पलटाए और तकदीर पे हंसता जाए मुमकिन है. ख्वाबों को आंसू लहलाना और फिर धुले धुले ख्वाबों को देखना फिर से देखते जाना मुमकिन है. एक मासूम सा कागज़ लेकर, एक मासूम सा कागज़ लेकर बना के कश्ती अरमानों की एक सफ़र पे चलते जाना मुमकिन है. जंगल से एक हवा का चलना, आबादी से गुजर गुजर कर मन की खिड़की पर आ जाना, ताज़ा सी उम्मीद जगाना मुमकिन है. रस्सी बांधें और सब खींचें आसमान को ज़मीं पे लाना मुमकिन है. हाथ बढ़ाना बादल छूना, हाथ बढ़ाना बादल छूना और निचोड़ के एक बादल से होंठ भिगोना मुमकिन है. एक सच्चे से सुर की उंगली थाम के बढ़ना और नवेली सरगम गाना मुमकिन है. बीचों बीच हथेली के एक नारंगी अंगारा रखना, बीचों बीच हथेली के एक नारंगी अंगारा रखना. रूह तलक फिर सुलगते जाना मुमकिन है. आने वाले कल की आहट दूर से सुनना, आने वाली कल की आहट दूर से सुनना और दरवाजे खोल के रखना, राह सजाना मुमकिन है. घने दरख्तों के साए में जब हमारे अच्छे दिन होते हैं तो हम किसी और की तकलीफ़ नहीं सोचते. घने दरख्तों के साए में पतझड़ की तकलीफ़ सोचना मुमकिन है. खिली खिली सी धूप की रुत में सर्द रात की टीस सोचना मुमकिन है. चांद पे जाकर The image comes to my mind that चांद पे बुढ़िया रहती है, पर उसको भी दर्द होता होगा. चांद पे जाकर बुढ़िया अम्मा का चेहरा हाथों में लेकर दर्द पूछना मुमकिन है. झील में जाकर उसके दिल की गहराई से खामोशी की वजह पूछना मुमकिन है. एक दीपक का तूफानों से आओ खेले कहकर मस्ती में रहना मुमकिन है. आँख हजारों पर एक सपना मुमकिन है. प्यास हजारों पर एक बारिश मुमकिन है. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much indeed. That was Mr. Prashant Joshi giving us the most wonderful